Hey everyone, what's up guys? You're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. So if you're new here, you're highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you an amazing ingredients that you need. Just 1 tablespoon to flush out all of those waste in your body, flush out toxins, clean your colon and lose your fats. You know, this is actually going to take off about 60 kg of your fats. Like, this is an amazing ingredient. Now you have to be consistent because it is natural. It doesn't contain any chemical nor any side effects. No, it is natural, but when you're consistent in taking it, it's going to be amazingly effective. Okay, all right guys, so that's it. Let me take you right into this video to let know what is that thing that you're going to be needing. Just 1 tablespoon to use and flush out your fat. Let's go. Okay guys, so today's video I'm going to be showing you an amazing powder that would help your body so much. Well, it will help to start from removing some fat. It will also help to make you healthy. It will also help to clean the colon. It also helps to remove some, bad sickness, cold, flu, cough and all of that, and it's going to keep your heart really pumping really well. So the first ingredient you're going to be needing here will be just powdered turmeric. So I'm going to be taking just a little of this powdered turmeric into this cup. And then the very next ingredient is this, and this is ginger powder. Okay guys, so you can actually process this powder yourself. You can get some ginger, wash them, scrape them, peel them and cut them in pieces and dry them. When it is dry, you can actually, just blend it. And there you have your ginger powder. Okay, so if you want to just make a quick tea, you just, grab the powder and just fetch it in. Okay, so all of the ingredients I'm going to be using today are going to be in powder form. Okay, so this is it, and this is also a garlic. This is garlic powder. I really don't use much of garlic powder because I use much of the fresh garlic more than the garlic powder. But in this case guys, if you want to use the fresh garlic, it is still very okay. Or if you want to use the powder form just like this, which is actually very quick, it is still very okay for this remedy. Yeah, so I'm gonna be putting that in. So we're equally going to be needing baking soda. Now baking soda is an edible substance. It's used for baking, but in this case we're going to be taking just a pinch of this baking soda for this ingredient. Okay, and this is going to make this ingredient really good and really effective. Just a little of it, okay, it's going to go a long way. So you see what I take? Just a very little of it. Alright guys, so after that is done, I'm gonna be mixing this powdered ingredients up. So you can actually mix all of this together and store it, so that when you want to take this, you just grab your hot water and make a tea of this. So this is it, and now I'm going to be taking 1 full tablespoon of it. So, ouch! Okay, so this is 1 tablespoon of all of my dry ingredients. They are actually very effective, okay? And all of the ingredients, I actually put them in moderation. Okay, so you put all of the ingredients in moderation, especially the baking soda part. you put it in moderation. I still have some left, which I'm going to be using later. So 1 tablespoon of all of that is what you're going to be using as your tea. So after putting that together, you stir it very well. Stir it for at least 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, so that all of the ingredients will dissolve. The baking soda could dissolve inside of it, and some of the ingredients will dissolve and bring out the real, you know, effect of it, and so that when you take it, it's going to be really effective. Now you're not going to be taking this with the chaff. This water is actually very hot, so I'm going to be diluting it a little so I can actually, you know, hold the glass. So after that is done, I'm going to grab another glass and then I'm going to sieve it out. So this is the residue, this is the chaff that I got. Alright, so that's why you have to sieve it out. For me, I don't like the smell of turmeric, so I would have to sieve it out. Alright guys, so the tea is ready. All of your powder tea is ready, and this is actually very helpful. So if you want to lose weight, you want to clean your colon, live healthy, go try this, and this is gonna be really working really well. So once in a day, reduce some fatty food and some junk food. You know, when you drink it in the morning, you would have to do a little bit of fast for at least 2 to 3 hours, yeah, before you eat your normal food, and this is going to be really working and really effective. So go give this a go. I'm sure you're going to be loving it. The color is amazing, the smell is good, and the taste also is amazing. So that's it guys, that is just it. Now for you to make this ingredient work so well in your body, you don't have to take too much of fatty food, too much of carbohydrates, and you don't need too much of, you know, sweet drinks, especially sugary drinks. You need some natural fruits and all of that, veggies, and this is going to be working real good. Yeah guys, so that's it. If you do enjoy watching this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye guys.